All right, number 1 is 50 millimeter Brocade Kamuro with gold glitter, packed 4-1, 9 shots. This is a cake. Number 2, Multicolor Crackling Comet Zipper, pack 2-1, 110. Tom, can you come up here to the table? Tom Whalen. Number 3, Red Bees, packed 8-1, 49 shots. Number 4, Red Crossette Fan, packed 12-1, 25 shots. Number 5, Crackling Palmtree Fan, packed 4-1, 25 shots. All right, that was obviously number 6, Time Rank Crackling. Do we have Crackling Palmtree? Go for it. Number 7, these are their 13-shot cake slabs. They're 30 millimeter, pack 10-1. We're going to do a couple of these. Number 8 is Strobe Pot Red, 30 seconds. These come 100 into a case. We're going to shoot 5 of these just for effect. Everybody's colorblind. I gave them the white ones instead of the red. Sorry, my bad. Number 9, Roman Candle Popping Comet, comes 15-1, 84 shots. We're shooting 2 of these just to show effect. Number 10 are single shots. These are packed 31. We're going to do a couple of varieties. There's 3 total we're going to shoot. Number 11 is the finale box vertical. This is Brocade Kamuro, packed 8 125 shots. Yeah, definitely finale. Number 12, finale box fan, red peony with white glitter, packed 4 125 shots. As Jim Carrey would say, be